Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to record sound audio in Audacity and how to make it in a studio quality or how to make sound better. So here we will go to Audacity and we will record first. And before recording anything, you need to select the audio setup, which is right there, and select the recording device. So select it accordingly, correctly. And you can also select the playback device, like once you record through which, from where you want to play it. And it is up to you whether you want to keep it mono or stereo or just let it light be like this. Once you're done, we will click on this red button to record, or you can also simply press R as in Romeo in the keyboard. So I have pressed it and now it's recording. Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So do let me know how exactly it's going to sound. I'll stop it from here. Now I will play it. So I have pressed it and now it's recording. Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So do let me know how exactly it's going to sound. I'll stop it from here. So the sound is recorded now. You can either select like keep on holding the left key and drag it like this to the whole screen, or the easiest way is to press Ctrl A to select the whole audio and then go to Effect. Now once you click on Effect, we will go to EQ and Filters, and then we will click on Filter Curve EQ. And then we will click on preset settings, and then we will go to factory reset. And if you want to do the bass boost, you can do that. And if you already have a lot of bass in, while recording, it, gives you a very heavy voice, you can do a bass cut. So for most of us, we would require the bass boost, which we will select. And then again, we will click on preset settings and factory reset, and now this time we will select the treble boost. Once you do that, click on apply and okay. Now once it is done, again, since it is already selected, we will click on effect again, and this time we will go to volume and compression, and from here we will go to compressor, and again we will go to preset and settings, and then factory reset. And from here you can select, like, there are many options. We will go for podcast. So there is an option podcast and radio. You can select that, and whatever you want to, you can try a few things from here. Voice memos balancer. So I'll select podcast radio, and I'll click on apply. And now if I'll play, so I have pressed it and now it's recording. Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So do let me know how exactly now it's going to sound. I'll stop it from here. Yeah, so the voice quality is enhanced. Now this is optional. You can only do the treble boost and bass boost. And do let me know in the comment section that how exactly is it helpful or not, like this Audacity is changing the voice quality of yours or not, because you don't have to do much thing here. Okay, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.